What is mechanical energy? Every object in the world has mechanical energy in itself in the form of kinetic energy or potential energy. To reduce our effort at every moment of life, we are using various kinds of machines, and those machines are combinations of mechanism that means relative motion between parts is there. The kinetic energy is due to motion and potential energy is due to position. By mechanical energy, we can use these machines. And the requirement for mechanical energy is much in today's world. And it is possible to convert solar energy into mechanical energy as per requirement. For example, solar pumps, solar cars, solar vehicles. Solar energy to mechanical energy diagram. We can also explain the conversion system of solar energy into mechanical energy by a diagram. Solar energy is not directly converted into mechanical energy, but it follows different steps to reach the final output. This whole process can be represented by a diagram also. But for different types of applications, some minor differences are there in sequence so that we can represent it for only a particular application. Solar energy to mechanical energy. For example, a solar thermal power plant. First of all, solar energy is converted into heat energy, then heat energy is converted into mechanical energy, and then mechanical energy is finally converted into electrical energy. For example, solar car. Solar car. First of all, solar energy is converted into electrical energy, then electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. How to convert solar energy to mechanical energy? You all are aware that for using solar energy, we have to concentrate it by some special equipments. Solar energy can be converted into mechanical energy but not directly, requiring several types of equipment to convert it. We all have done this experiment about burning the paper with solar energy with the help of a special mirror which helps to concentrate all the rays of sun on one point of paper so at that point energy is maximized, and paper can be burned. So here, to use solar energy, the concentration of rays is needed. It is done by a concentrator that concentrates rays on a photovoltaic cell, PV cell, which first converts solar energy into electrical energy by the photovoltaic effect. These types of cells are arranged properly so that these cells can store solar energy and convert it into electrical energy also. Solar energy strikes the surface of the solar cells. By the movement of molecules or electrons of a solar cell, solar energy is converted into electrical energy, such as electrical energy produced in a solar power plant. These cells are made of silicon or germanium, or any other semiconductor. When solar energy is converted to mechanical energy, the solar energy to mechanical energy conversion is done with special equipment. When we want to use pollution-free and economical energy, solar energy is converted into mechanical energy. When we want to use different types of machinery, we require mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is produced by the conversion of different sources of energy. But if we require a small amount of mechanical energy with very less cost and pollution-free energy, then we have to use solar energy as input. Then, at that time, solar energy is converted into mechanical energy. For example, if we want to ride our bicycle, then a small amount of mechanical energy is required. If mechanical energy is required to produce without any effort, then electrical energy is needed. If we produce the required electrical energy by solar panels means solar energy. So at that time, we do conversion of solar energy into mechanical energy. Solar energy to mechanical energy conversion process. Solar energy is not converted into mechanical energy directly, but it can be converted step by step. Now we will discuss the required steps to convert solar energy into mechanical energy. Step number 1. First, we have to concentrate solar energy and convert it to electrical energy with one piece of equipment known as a solar cell. Step number 2. Electrical energy is transmitted for further use by the transmission grid and transmission system. Step number 3. We can transfer electric energy to the end user, which means the last and main user who requires mechanical energy. Step number 4. In the last user use this electrical energy in their premises, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So user can use their different types of machines by this conversion system in which energy comes from solar energy. How to convert solar energy to mechanical energy at home? Solar energy is converted into mechanical energy by several types of equipment for energy conversion at home. Many types of equipment are used at home, like example, solar pump, solar fan, solar bicycle, solar car, etc. These equipment, yes, are giving output as mechanical energy. So we have to convert solar energy into mechanical energy at home. And now, this electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy, and we can use many kinds of equipment with this mechanical energy in our home. We take one example from several applications, and it is a solar pump. The working of a pump is to increase the level of any fluid by increasing the pressure of that fluid in it. To increase the pressure of the fluid, the pump requires mechanical energy in input, which comes from the shaft attached to a motor. And motor requires electrical energy to rotate that shaft. Now, if this electrical energy is produced by solar energy, we first have to use solar panels as per requirement and convert solar energy into electrical energy. Then electrical energy is supplied to the motor to operate our pump. This is known as a solar pump. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.